Hey, hi everyone. Now I'm discussing on organizational behavior. This is for SEM 1 and this is the last subject for SEM 1. Sorry for delays for this two subject, which is MTP and OB. So not wasting much of time. The first question is explain how group study has helped managers across the world understand the complex relationship between culture and organizational structure. So in the introduction part, you have to mention about culture, what is business culture, what is globe, how did it came into existence, and then in the concept part, you have to mention how globe has helped the managers. So if you Google search, there are very few points which are available, but what you have to do is you have to play with words. The only points I would discuss is you have to mention about how Globe has helped the managers to understand culture, internal culture for the success of the organization. Second is the relationship between culture and success. Then there is motivational factors which Globe has made the managers understand. Then about the complex connection between culture and success. So these are the points you'll have to elaborate much. You'll have to play with words. There is very little data which is available, and as well, I am not able to answer this question. But still, yes, you can complete it. Maximum what I have written myself is it goes to 850 900 words. So doesn't matter even if you don't complete 1000 words or even 800 words, that's fine. But do try to complete this answer. Details are very few which is available on net. Moving to second question is about encounters in teamwork, the problem that they encounter within the teamwork. So in the introduction, you mentioned what is team, how does a team work, how does it help the organization, what are the goals of this team, basically the motive of the team that is framed. So you have to achieve a particular goal, so you have to mention this, and then in the concept part you have to mention various problems that a team would face while they are working together. So so you have to mention the points and also some solutions to that. So the point what points I have mentioned is lack of trust, sharing of information, low engagement, conflicts and tensions, and different directions. So for every point you can mention 200 words and some solutions to that. And then in the conclusion part you can mention about how team members face this issue and they try to resolve, so that they move towards achieving of the main goal of the particular team. So this is how you complete the second question. Moving to third question. The third question is about why is the reinforcement theory called as behavior modification theory. So if you try to understand what is reinforcement theory, uh, what happens is a behavior is can be changed. So if there is one behavior which is not accepted or it is accepted and you want to improve it, you give punishments, you give awards, you there are different techniques through which you can modify the behavior in an individual. So in the introduction part you mention about this reinforcement theory, and then how is reinforcement theory similar to the behavior modification theory. So as I mentioned, you can change the behavior, and this is how you compare both the things and say that yes, the reinforcement theory and the behavior modification theory is called one and the same. uh, there are many things which you can mention in this also, but I would like you to limit it to this part only, because if you Google search, yes, you will get two different detailing theories. You will have to just compare it and write it in your own words. Moving to third B, you have to mention about the reinforcement theory. So there are four parts to this. In the introduction, first to mention what is reinforcement theory. In the concept part, the four parts, that is positive reinforcement, negative reinforcement, punishments, and extinction. And then in the conclusion, how this can be used in the corporate world by the managers in order to improve a behavior which is acceptable or not acceptable, or the manager wants to improve the behavior of an employee. uh, so yeah, this is how you complete the entire OB assignment. Best of luck and thank you.